Let's run into Dollar Tree because today I'm on the hunt for polka dots. I've always loved them. They are so fun and happy. Lots of spring colors, and you can even make them neutral if you like. Polka dots are all around us. Ooh, what's that right there? Oh, look, some rickrack. Even these darling giant carrots are polka dots. I'm getting excited. Hey everybody, I'm Soozie, and this is Soozie's Stuff. Welcome to station KDIY Channel 146, home of quick, easy, affordable, and always fun DIYs. Today is all about spring DIYs using polka dots. Come on! Jumping right in, I found some cute polka dot fabric from Dollar Tree. And then I have a board here. It's just like one of the MDF boards you get at Dollar Tree. I just had this one on hand, but any size will do. And so I'm laying this out and I'm going to Mod Podge this onto the board. I think it's best that when you're working with fabric and Mod Podge like this to just work in little sections. So I just did a little bit at a time. Oop, there was a little glob there. Sometimes you get that with Mod Podge. I'm just going to put this on and then we'll put Mod Podge on top as well. I found this ribbon at Dollar Tree and it is burlap and it is my absolute favorite color in the world. It's that green chartreuse. I love all green, but I just love this green chartreuse and it goes perfect with the black and white polka dots. What do you think? I love it, love it, love it. So I just added it towards the bottom and then I grabbed the new craft shapes that they have at Dollar Tree. They're little garden pieces, little flower pots, a little wheelbarrow. I'm just making a quick little pattern. Ooh, a little watering can. They're so cute and fun to work with. So on the empty flower pots, I pulled a little sprig of flowers that I had from Dollar Tree and just kind of glued those coming out of the pots. I thought it gave just a simple little pop of color and I glued those right in there. And also noticed that I used my little wood letters and I wrote the word spring right there. And I'm also using these new pearl push pins. They're over in the school supplies section. Look how cute that looks. Oh, I love it. And then one more thing I added was I thought that the spring needed to pop out a little bit. I was thinking about pink, but I didn't. I went with black. I really like that better. And I just added a hanger from one of the wood beads that you get also at Dollar Tree. And before I show you the end project, I got this new little garland they have at Dollar Tree, but I took off the little chick and I added one of the little mini flower pots at the end. So cute! I think we're off to a great start using some polka dots. This is so delightful and whimsical, and I love those little wooden pieces. How are you going to use your little wooden pieces? I hope you enjoy the spring sign. For this next DIY, you'll need a little flower pot. This one I've already had on hand, but they have several to choose from at Dollar Tree, which I'll be picking up some of those for sure. But I'm using some of my leftover polka dot fabric from our last project, and I'm just Mod Podging it on the rim of the flower pot. And now that that's all dry, I'm going to use some cut up pool noodles, and I used also some reindeer moss in the top there. I hot glued that in, and I grabbed my Rae Dunn stickers to write on that. I love that. That looks great so far. I also have these wooden flowers that they have now at Dollar Tree. Really cute. You could paint them, and I was really going for more of a neutral look, and I really like it. for my style. I do like the bright colors, and I think I may paint them. I'm just going to pull them out, maybe use my spray paint. I do love this natural look, but there was something, I don't know, I added some purple flowers in there from Dollar Tree. And I also grabbed my black Sharpie and added some detail to the little wooden cutouts. What do you think? Would you paint them, or what is your style? And so I just love, though, how it turned out. Very different. And let me know what you think. I want more polka dots. So I found this fabric at Dollar Tree as well. It was kind of some orange polka dots. And this little sign, I think you can always find that at Dollar Tree. What I did first, though, is paint it white, because sometimes when you use fabric on a piece like that, the stuff underneath will show through the fabric. So I just did a quick coat of white paint on the little board that came inside the frame, and then I Mod Podged the fabric right on that board. I am loving these new wooden signs. Oh, and I also love that they don't have a hole in them, so you have to fill in the hole. It was connected in the back there. So what I want to do with this is I'm taking my antique wax in Waverly, or Waverly in antique wax, and I do that and I wipe it off. And so for the little watering can and the flower, or the bird, I'm using some moss Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just gonna paint those a couple of coats. You need a little teeny tiny brush for that. Now that that's all dry and put together, I just popped in the polka dot part in the frame. I hot glued the garden sign in front of the frame. Ooh, I think this may be my favorite one today. I popped that right in there, and then I'm using the Dollar Tree carrots. We're going to stuff those right down in there. How cute is that? I love those polka dots in the background. I started out thinking I might want to put some moss down in there, and I did, but I just didn't like it. It was just like too much. So I took it away, and I love how this turned out. Isn't it so cute? I cannot wait to put it on my patio. I may also put it on the side of my house underneath the patio, so I might need to add a little hanger, but it is so cute. Don't you love that polka dot fabric? What do you think? Moving right along, I actually picked up this vase in a thrift store. It was $2. It's a big old vase, but you can use any vase that you like. I just painted it one coat with some white paint, and then I used some of that, what do you call it? White paint with spackle. That's it, spackle. And it made this terrific, beautiful texture. So now, after that's dried, I'm using my round little sponge from Dollar Tree and making some black dots going all the way around. I love this type of polka dot. It is gorgeous, and it was so simple to do. Here it is, all styled up with some Walmart florals. And let's see, I've got those pink ones, and then the greenery. Yeah, all of that came from Walmart. And those new initial light up signs. I love that. The little initial, so cute. So I bought these flowers for my mom for Valentine's Day. That's actually when I was filming this. And look how gorgeous these lilies are in my vase. Oh, love this polka dot vase. What do you think? And more polka dot fun, I grabbed some Dollar Tree frames and these sample fabrics from Walmart. It's the Waverly brand. We're going to cut those down to size, pop those back into the frame. I use the glass, and then I'm going to be using these new cutouts from Dollar Tree. Aren't they so cute? And just like that, I hot glued them onto the glass. A couple on each frame, and then the carrots in the middle. Ooh, it's so springy and festive. I also added my Ray Dunn stickers on there. Hippity hop down the trail. I hope you love this polka dot fun DIY. It was easy. Another simple idea using polka dots, I'm grabbing these 2 clay pots from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to whitewash them a little bit, just throw on some paint every which way, and then I'm going to sand it down with my little sander. I love the look of old weathered pots, and so this is a great way to achieve that. And so now I've got this purple polka dot ribbon. Love it. It is from Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different colors. I just thought purple was really pretty. Just simply added those to the rim, quickly added a little bow, add some pool noodles, and then your favorite little florals. These are from Dollar Tree. And then last, I used some reindeer moss. You can get that at Dollar Tree. The kind I have here is from Amazon. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram. Come over there and say hi. I post a lot of videos, finished products, and some really quick videos. And it's fun over there at Instagram. So check me out. And sometimes if you make a little one of my crafts, you can post it there. And I would love to share it with everybody. New at Dollar Tree this year are these moss bunny rabbits. I thought they were pebbles when I bought them. I really was like, okay, I need some pebbles, some moss pebbles. And I opened them up and I was like, oh, they are little rabbits. How cute is that? They have one standing up and kind of sitting down. And so I just used my skewer, put that right in there, and there you go. What a great touch to this little project. I love it. You could set it anywhere, in your windowsill. How cute is that? Like in your kitchen windowsill. But I just love how these turned out. And aren't they so cute with these rabbits? They sure are loving them. And this would be great for maybe a tier tray. But these are super just to create. I love those little pots from Dollar Tree. I hope I have inspired you today with lots of polka dot fun. They are so easy to create and really help clear your mind while you enjoy your day. You never know what you're going to come up with sometimes. And I am so sorry I have not been posting as much as I would like to. Just lots of issues going on at the moment, but it will all be okay. And I appreciate you watching, and especially the sweet comments that you leave me. I have my regulars, and I just love you guys so much. And I just want to thank you again for your support. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode. And I will see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, station KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.